Hello everybody. As you can see in my background here, I'm still in Guatemala, but I'm almost heading back to California. My 1-year sabbatical is coming to an end, where I've successfully led projects related to the quality enhancement of coffee, as well as revamping and installing new facilities related to initial cooling of vegetables, small scale initial cooling facilities. So that's exciting news. That said, I've been in constant communication with our team members, co-director Professor Barbara Blanco over there in California, in the Postharvest Research and Extension Center, where we continue to lead projects related to quality enhancement of produce that is conventionally grown in California. We're also working in outreach and extension activities. Among the most exciting is we're revamping and updating many of our produce fact sheets. We're listening and we're looking that you are visiting constantly our produce fact sheet website. And because of that, we encourage you to continue doing that and look for our new icon where you will see updated produce fact sheets. We're also working on the development and updating conventional workshops that were offered before. One of them is the ripening and ethylene management workshop, where we're working with industry members and other academics to revamp or slightly modify the offering that we had before, so that the information is more relevant to you and those stakeholders. And now you'll hear from Barbara, who's in California, and we all thank you for your attention, and I'll see you soon over there. Bye-bye.
Hello from California. As Irwin was saying, we have a lot of research going on at the center. We're wrapping up some projects, but also we have received a lot of input from industry and other collaborators to do more research. So that's why we have decided to expand our team, and I'm really proud to introduce you to the new members of the Postharvest Center.
Hi, my name is Emily Yoshi, and I am a fourth-year food science student. I'm excited to work at the center to learn more about post-harvest fruit quality and outreach for better food access.
Hi, my name is Zainal Nahlawi, and I'm a third-year biosystems engineering major. I'm excited to start at the center and learn more about food storage and how we can help reduce food waste.
Hi, my name is Brandon, and I'm a fourth-year plant sciences major who's passionate about the biology side of post-harvest quality. I'm really excited to use my position at the center to work on the ripening factors of pomegranates.
Well, thank you, everyone. And we will keep you updated on the results of these projects as we make them available to you through our extension platforms, such as our website and our digital media. Also, please take a look at the other sections of this newsletter. We introduce our new affiliated faculty from Kansas State University, Dr. Manpreet Bullard, and he works on food safety. So please keep an eye on the video below. More so, we have our produce fact sheets that we make new in our website. Irwin just mentioned them. And the last section is Ask the Produce Experts, in which we tackle a question related with lettuce. So thank you very much. Please keep in touch, and until the next time. Bye.